Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read man or man in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means 10,000. It has 3 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like man. A wide, sweeping shape, holding an enormous count of things. Now, let's write it. 3 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Ichiman means 10,000. Hyakuman means 1 million. And mangichi means just in case. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ho, read ho, direction. Chikara, power. Notice the small differences. So that's mang, 10,000. 3 strokes, read mang or mang. Try writing it 5 times today.